Everybody, this is Shahaf. AI is changing the world. It's reshaping the world we live in, and I'm thrilled to live in such an era. And AI will obviously be a core focus for COTI in 2025, not just in the sort of technologies that we'll develop, not just the sort of dApps that will incentivize to build on top of COTI, but also in how we plan on building our ecosystem. But we'll get into that. Now, in case you lived under a rock, AI is a major growth factor in Web3. And the market overall is set to reach almost $2 trillion by 2030. In 2025, we're going to support a lot of initiatives around collaborative learning, AI trading agents, DeFi, federated learning, and many other use cases. It will be a core focus for COTI in 2025, and I'm here to discuss just a few of the partnerships and ideas that we have. And it's important to say that there are many cases where privacy is extremely important for AI-driven economies to grow and remain competitive. And COTI's privacy-centric Layer 2 built with gobbling circuits technology can scale to support this innovation in this fast-growing field. So what are some of the use cases that we'll see this year? Firstly, AI is really good at predictive analytics and predictive markets. And AI can aggregate a lot of data and spot patterns and trends and do that in real time. This means that AI can provide market sentiment analysis, return insights into market dynamics, trading strategies, among other things. One of our new partners, NFA, is a great example of using AI-driven data for insight, including market sentiment analysis, which is then used to identify top trading opportunities and serve this as a Telegram mini app. And you can check out the results on the NFA app. It's nfa.club, and from there you'll be funneled into Telegram. So check this out, it's pretty cool. Another strong use case is AI-driven security and compliance. So COTI has partnered with two firms, Hacken and Enchain AI, that are pioneering AI in the security field. So transparency of blockchain means that transactions are open book, and Hacken and Enchain can use AI to assist in on-chain monitoring and real-time threat detection. That's all very cool. But what you can do with COTI's privacy solution is complementary to security and compliance services, because we'll be very good at pattern matching on encrypted data. So spot suspicious activity while keeping transactions detail private. How cool is this? It also means that we can do secure node-to-node communications, among other things, and protect sensitive personal information for AML KYC purposes. So another one of our partners, Civic, is using AI to power its identity verification process, for example, proof of personhood, which uses AI to verify that a wallet is operated by a human and not a bot. So what happens when you actually want to have a wallet that is managed by a bot or by AI? Something that we'll pay very close attention to is AI trading agents, which is part of a greater theme called DeFi, right? DEF AI. So I believe that the future of trading belongs to AI, because most of the things that humans do these days can be done better or just at greater scale using AI. Now, AI agents, they're already out there, but they are all talk. Agents just speak on social media, et cetera, et cetera. What happens when agents can trade? And this is around the corner, right? So agents that can actually trade, alongside human on dexes and maybe even centralized exchange it, kind of like understand market conditions and execute advanced strategies, are super cool. Now, as AI agents become the go-to method for trading, so instead of me trading all day, I can just train an agent to trade for me, privacy will become super important, because I don't want to show everybody my strategies, because then their agent can learn what I do and just do it better. So for competitive advantages, COTI can be used to safeguard your trading strategy. It's not only that, you can actually prevent front running and MEV bot attacks, et cetera, all using privacy-centric COTI. Now, you can also do another cool thing, which is, you trade an agent, Maybe you want to open a vault and allow other people to trade with you, kind of like back your agent. But again, you don't want everybody to see what you're doing. What you can do with COTI is actually verify your performance. You can prove that your agent trades very well, and you can show all your metrics, but never reveal your trade history. Very cool. One of our recent partners, COTI Agents, that have just recently launched and done their TGE, which did very well, they use AI to enable users to train and trade AI agents, and we'll see other doing that as well. On top of COTI, we're in conversations with quite a few folks. So I would say that DeFi and trading agents, the intersection of DeFi, AI, and agents, safeguarded with privacy, will be a core focus for COTI in 2025, and I think we'll see a lot of growth. And obviously, this generates a lot of transactions on top of COTI and encourages people to prosper on top of our chain. These are just a few examples of the sort of things that I expect to see in 2025 happening on top of COTI, and will provide builders with the proper technologies on the infrastructure level, on the privacy level, but on the AI level as well. And make sure that COTI is like a pivotal player in AI, and we'll give it a lot of effort and focus. And a lot of our business development focus is now focused on that. And I expect to see great results with it. We will also publish an article coming soon with transformational AI use cases in Web3, and feature our latest partners who are driving innovation in this space. 2025 will be the year of AI in COTI. I do not mean that in the very basic meme type way. I mean that in a very meaningful way, both in terms of infrastructure, but also in how we build our ecosystem. Thank you for listening, and stay COTI.